Gaurav Rajwanshi from Advanced Agility. Another video in our Agile parking series. While I am waiting here in the car park, thought to answer one more question. And the question for today is, how in Agile world we manage customer requirement? So here is what I need to say about it. We actually don't just use this word requirement in that traditional sense, because requirement comes with its own connotations. Is something that customer is telling you what they want and they really know what they want. But the reality is customer don't know what they want. They are telling you something today, tomorrow it can be completely different. So their needs are evolving, and that is why we use the word story. The popular word in the industry is user story. Wherever you heard the word user story, that means it's a way of capturing customers' need. And we use the word story to bring that alignment that we don't know exactly what they need. They are just telling us a story today. And the story will evolve over a period of time. Tomorrow, after talking to you, they may start thinking something else. They may experience some other market event, some internal company event. Their story can change. So that is one thing. Rather than focusing on the word requirement, we align a bit more towards the word story. There are other words as well which we use, like features, which is more popular in the marketing world. What features are available in your product or in your service? So we use the word feature. We use the word epic. That means a story which is too big. Yeah, like a huge big story. That's called epic. That's the literal meaning of the epic anyway. But whatever it is, epic or use a story or feature or maybe requirement, whatever it is, whatever you want to call it, the idea is to embrace the change rather than pushing the change away. So you continuously take these stories from customer, put them together in something called backlog, because these user stories are always coming to you, not once in a year, not once in a month, continuously coming to you. Somebody in your team, product owner, sometimes we say that word. Again, this is changing over a period of time, but most popular role is product owner. This person will look at this continuous inflow of the stories and try to weigh against each other to find out the relative size and importance and complexity, cost of not doing the work, which is cost of delaying it, maybe the time criticality as well, maybe what is the value user is going to get once you deliver this story. There's a lot of art and science and formulas involved, but in short, product owner will continuously prioritize the work, and that work which product owner is prioritizing is a basically list of prioritized user story. Now we know which story need to be implemented first, which story need to be implemented second, and which story need to be implemented after that. And based on that, a team will pick up the top priority story and keep on working on that. Once the top story is done, they can pick up the next one. So that way, you listen to the story of a customer, you prioritize among the multiple stories you have listened from your customer, and then work through them.